Not sure how to use your Midea AC Remote? Model number RG52A2/BGEF. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Midea AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Shortcut button instantly recalls and activates your previously saved preferred settings for mode, temperature, and fan speed, so you can switch to your favorite setup with one press. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating based on room temperature. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press first to use the on timer to set a specific time for your AC to automatically turn on. Each press lets you adjust the hours and minutes until your desired start time is set. Use the off timer to set a time for your AC to automatically turn off, perfect for saving energy while you sleep or when you leave the room. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Press the first time to activate the turbo mode to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Press the second time to activate the self-clean mode. The AC freezes the coil to trap dust, then heats up to melt and flush it away. Finally, the fan dries the unit from inside, reducing mold, odors, and boosting performance. Press the LED button to turn the display light on the indoor unit on or off. It's useful at night when you want to reduce brightness without affecting AC operation. Press the Follow Me button to activate the temperature sensor inside the remote, allowing the air conditioner to adjust cooling or heating based on the temperature around the remote instead of the indoor unit. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Midea AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.